Hello, this is Omar from IBM. In this short video, I'm going to show you how IBM's hybrid cloud strategy will help you reduce 1/3 of the time and the cost that you spend on integration projects within your environment. Now, as your enterprise continuously strives to innovate, traditional integration techniques slows you down. In fact, 50% of the time you invest on delivering new digital platforms is spent on integration workloads. And that's why IBM innovated a pyramid of empowerment, where we use the latest cloud-native technologies to modernize your new and existing workloads. To explain that, let me tell you a story. Have you ever wondered how the Great Pyramids of Egypt were built? Well, the ancient Egyptians decided to build one of the world's 7 wonders using simple bricks that they moved from one place to another place. And they connected all of them together through a robust, innovative architecture that secured the building from within. To implement this architecture, they used 2 million bricks, all synchronized together, and according to the location of each brick, they would determine the size, the mixture, the way this brick should handle, and all of the different factors. And they divided the pyramids into a number of sections, and each section had its own team of workers responsible for forming and moving the bricks within this section. Now, 5,000 years later, the Great Pyramid still stands exactly the way it was designed to be. Weather changes, wars, and all of the different phenomena, they might have affected some of the rocks, but still, the pyramid as a whole is still standing. So decoupling the building blocks, customizing them, and decentralizing the teams created a much larger state-of-the-art building that would have been literally impossible through the traditional engineering techniques. And it's the same with IT. We refer to this architecture as a microservices architecture and to the building bricks as a container-based deployments. Together, they create more fault-tolerant and scalable application. So just like the pyramids, if one brick falls, the whole pyramid stays the same. And with your application, if one service crashes, the whole application stays safe. If you want a bigger brick, you work on that brick, not on the whole pyramid. And same with your application. If you need to scale one service, you just scale this service, not the entire application. IBM brings the same technologies to integration. We have created our own pyramid to empower your business with more agile, decentralized integration. We call it the Cloud Pack for integration, and you can deploy it anywhere, on-premise, on private cloud, or in public cloud. It's up to you. At its base is Red Hat OpenShift. OpenShift provides you with a way to deploy your integration assets in smaller building blocks, deployed on top of containers and orchestrated through Kubernetes. On top of that, we provide you with a number of open source technologies, all under the support of IBM, that includes a number of operational services like monitoring, metering, logging, security, identity access management, and so much more. And on top of that is IBM certified containers running all of IBM's middleware stack. So by logging into one interface with one part number, you get access to IBM's application integration, API management, file transfer, event streaming, and messaging solutions. Let's take a look. Once you log in, you see all the integration tools you need with one unified experience. First tool is API Lifecycle. You can create, manage, socialize, analyze, monetize, and secure APIs to be used by your developers, partners, or public community. This gives you access to all of IBM's API management stack, including the API Manager, Security Gateway, Analytics, and a portal to publish your finished APIs with either free or premium plans. Second is application integration. You can seamlessly integrate on-premise complex legacy applications or even simpler cloud-based ones using a drag-and-drop approach with more than 150 pre-built connectors. This helps you bring maximum value out of your application data, whether they are on-prem, on one cloud, or multiple clouds. Next comes our security-rich messaging solution. You can exchange messages between applications while ensuring a guaranteed once-only delivery of messages. And taking messaging to a new level is also possible through event streaming, where we leverage Kafka to not just send and receive messages, but be able to react to events in real time, creating a more powerful experience to your customers. And last but not least is our unique, high-speed, adaptable, and secure file transfer solution. You can send, receive, synchronize, and orchestrate large file transfers between multiple sites in different geographies. All of that was accessed through a single sign-on with common logging, system monitoring, metering, and operational services. The common logging allows you to search and visualize logs with reports and links to the logs of each separate instance. There's also an asset repository, which is a centralized hub allowing your team to share integration resources to save both time and effort. This was just a brief overview of IBM's Cloud Pak for integration. You can see much more value when you integrate these capabilities together. For more information, you can visit this link. IBM's main goal is to help you achieve a much more unique digital experience to your developers and your end customers. And we believe that the Cloud Pak for integration is a number of steps towards that goal. So let's get in touch.